Hey there, welcome back to Online Biz Breakthrough. If you're looking to build a profitable online business without dealing with the hassle of creating, storing, or shipping your own product, you're in the right place. We've all heard the stories of people making thousands of dollars online while they sleep. And you know what? A lot of those stories are true, but most of them leave out the part about the grind. But don't worry, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll learn 3 powerful strategies to start earning online today, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's dive in. First up, affiliate marketing. This is one of the simplest ways to get started online because you don't need a product, an office, or even any employees to get started. Here's how it works. You promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Think about it, you're scrolling through your For You page on TikTok, and you see someone using a cool product. They tell you how awesome it is, and then they tell you to click the link in their bio if you want to check it out. You click the link, you love the product, and bam, they just made a commission. It's really that simple. There are tons of platforms out there like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale, and they all have millions of products that you can start selling today. For example, if you're passionate about fitness, you could promote workout gear, supplements, or online courses. Quick tip: focus on products you genuinely believe in and solve problems for your audience. Authenticity builds trust and boosts your sales. Don't worry if you're not sure where to start. I've linked a step-by-step guide in the description to help you set up your first affiliate campaign. And trust me, once you get your first few sales, it's addicting. You'll want to do more and more. Next is dropshipping. This business model lets you sell physical products without handling inventory. Here's how it works. You create an online store and partner with suppliers who ship products directly to your customers. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce make setting up your store super easy. Plus, you can source products from websites like AliExpress or Spocket. Let's say, for example, you want to sell coffee mugs, you find a supplier on AliExpress, you list the mug on your Shopify store for $14.99. Someone places an order, you then order the mug from your supplier for $5.99 and have it shipped directly to the customer. You just made $9 without ever touching the product. Pretty cool, right? Focus on trending items, such as gadgets or home decor, and create a compelling store with clear product descriptions and visuals. The beauty of dropshipping? Low upfront costs and no need for a warehouse. Just remember, great customer service and reliable suppliers are key to success. Chapter 3. Monetize your skills. Digital services for online success. Finally, let's talk about digital services. If you have skills like graphic design, writing, social media management, or even video editing, you can offer them online without any physical product. If you're already good at something, you can monetize it. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer make it easy to connect with clients all over the world. Start by showcasing a portfolio of your work. No portfolio yet? No problem. Create a few samples that show off your expertise, and I promise you, the clients will come. Pro tip: niche down. For instance, instead of saying I'm a writer, say I'm a blog writer specializing in fitness and health. This makes you stand out in a crowded market. And before you know it, you'll have so many clients that you won't be able to keep up. There you have it. 3 proven ways to build a profitable online business without a product. Whether it's affiliate marketing, dropshipping, or digital services, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Online Biz Breakthrough, and let me know in the comments which strategy you're excited to try. See you in the next video.